Little Rock is a vibrant and growing city, filled with lively neighborhoods, thriving local businesses, and active roadways. While this energy is part of what makes the community so appealing, it can also bring an unwelcome downside: noise pollution. From traffic and construction to neighborhood activity, excess noise can make your home feel less peaceful and far less comfortable. Fortunately, one of the most effective ways to restore quiet and improve indoor comfort is by installing replacement windows designed for sound reduction. Modern window technology goes far beyond improving energy efficiency. Today's windows are engineered to block outside noise and create a more relaxing home environment. Here's how replacement windows help Little Rock homeowners enjoy quieter, more peaceful living spaces. Multi-pane glass significantly reduces sound transfer. Older windows in many Little Rock homes have single-pane glass, which does very little to stop outside noise. Modern replacement windows, however, use double or triple pane glass, which creates multiple barriers between your home and the sound outside. With multi-pane glass, you benefit from more mass, which makes it harder for sound waves to travel. Insulating air or gas layers between the panes. Better overall sound control, especially for busy streets. Double pane windows already offer a big improvement, but triple pane models provide even more noise reduction, perfect for homes near highways, busy intersections, or commercial areas. Gas fills provide added sound dampening between the glass panes. In replacement windows, manufacturers often use argon or krypton gas instead of regular air. Although these gases are best known for improving energy efficiency, they also help reduce noise transmission. Gas-filled panes absorb more sound than air. Reduce vibrations caused by loud noises. Provide a tighter acoustic insulation layer. This helps lower everyday sounds, from barking dogs to passing trucks, so you can enjoy a quieter home. Advanced window frames reduce vibrations. The frame of your window matters just as much as the glass when it comes to sound control. Modern replacement windows often use insulated, thicker, and more durable frame materials such as vinyl, fiberglass, or composite. These materials help block sound vibrations and prevent noise from traveling through the frame into your home. Benefits of upgraded frames include less rattling during strong winds, reduced noise from outdoor activity, better long-term performance and durability for Little Rock's varying climate. These frames also resist warping and temperature shifts, which helps maintain soundproofing over time. Improved seals stop noise leakage. Even the best window won't block noise if it isn't sealed properly. Older windows often have worn weather stripping, gaps, and loose frames that let sound in the same way they let air in. Replacement windows provide tighter, more secure seals. Modern weather stripping designed for sound control. Leak-free installation that reduces both noise and drafts. This is especially beneficial in denser areas of Little Rock where outdoor noise tends to carry easily. Soundproof glass options for high-noise areas. For homeowners dealing with higher levels of noise, such as those near interstates, schools, or busy shopping areas, laminated glass offers an added layer of protection. Laminated glass contains a special interlayer that absorbs sound waves and prevents them from passing through. Laminated glass helps block low-frequency sounds like rumbling engines, reduce higher-pitched noises such as sirens, improve security and impact resistance. It's an excellent choice for bedrooms, living rooms, and home offices that need extra quiet. A more peaceful, comfortable home. When noise levels go down, the quality of life goes up. Replacement windows help create a quiet indoor space where you can relax, sleep better, and enjoy conversations without constant interruptions from outside. Homeowners in Little Rock appreciate better sleep in quieter bedrooms, more privacy and less disturbance, a calmer environment for children and pets, enhanced comfort in high-traffic neighborhoods. Whether you live near downtown, a busy roadway, or an active community area, replacement windows make your home feel like a peaceful retreat. Final thoughts: noise pollution is a growing concern in many Little Rock neighborhoods, but you don't have to live with constant disruptions. Modern replacement windows offer a powerful solution, using advanced glass technology, improved frame insulation, and precision installation to keep unwanted noise out. If you're ready to enjoy a quieter, more comfortable home, Replacement windows are one of the smartest and most effective upgrades you can make.